The staff at South Korea's embassy in Kabul and all remaining South Korean citizens have been safely evacuated. The facility will be closed until further notice. Their escape was reportedly arranged with the assistance of a third country. Yoon Jung-min fills us in.
With the Taliban rapidly taking control of Kabul, all South Korean nationals have been evacuated from Afghanistan, according to Seoul's foreign ministry. On Tuesday, a plane carried the ambassador, 2 other diplomats, and 1 private citizen safely out of Afghanistan to a third country in the Middle East. They were supposed to leave on Monday, but their plane was unable to take off due to the crowds of desperate Afghans flocking onto the runway. Sources say the situation got better in the morning and the plane was able to take off.
The plane carrying the last remaining Korean nationals and embassy diplomats has safely arrived at its destination. Currently, the Korean embassy in Qatar is temporarily handling the work of embassy in Afghanistan.
The South Korean embassy in Kabul is temporarily closed, most officials having already evacuated to a third country on Sunday. The decision for them to leave was made in an emergency meeting on Sunday with Foreign Minister Chung Eui-yong, during which the South Korean ambassador to Afghanistan, Choi Tae-ho, received a message from a friendly country urging them to evacuate. The message was reportedly from the U.S. and NATO. Staff at the South Korean embassy destroyed classified documents before rushing to the airport and escaping on a U.S. helicopter. They were able to use the helicopter due to a bilateral memorandum of understanding signed earlier this year in case of emergency. The foreign ministry officials said the temporary closure of the embassy does not mean that South Korea is severing diplomatic ties with Afghanistan. They are reportedly discussing what Seoul's future relationship with the Taliban should be, taking into account the international community. The ministry added that its steps will also align with the international community regarding the U.S.-led rebuilding of Afghanistan, which has involved contributions from South Korea. In the past 2 decades, South Korea has sent troops at the request of the U.S. and has taken part in reconstruction. And for almost 30 years, Seoul has carried out ODA projects worth more than $1 billion. Yoon Jung-min, Arirang News.